out on the waters, the storm raging high, the waters surround them, they trouble their night, and fear filled their hearts, and they thought they would die, but they failed to remember that the Master was nigh, and He spoke the word, and the wind stood still. He even the waters, He obeyed His will. Heard the storm, just like You will mine. Inside, so why should I worry? Why should I fear? That the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. We read in the Bible, we walk with Thee, brought light to the darkness when the way grows lonely. How great it would be to have the steps leading mine, and to walk with the Master all of that time. And when trials come, and it seems so nigh, I just search for the Master. He said I'll be there all the time. And when I'm in trouble, and my body is in pain, I have to do is call on His name. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? With the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? When the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. He spoke the word, the wind stood still. To even the water, the always will. To the storm, just like You will mine. If I just remember that He lives deep inside, so why should I worry? Why should I care? And the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? When the very same Jesus I call on His name till the storm passes by. So why should I worry? Why should I fear? With the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by. Why should I worry? Why should I fear? In the very same Jesus, He stays always near. He lives in my heart, and He hears when I cry. I call on His name till the storm passes by.